Hi everyone, this is a new product from Joly Joy. It's called a 3-in-1 car jump starter. I'll just open this up for you and show you what's inside. This comes with the product, which I will just show you in a minute. This also comes with an adapter to charge the product at home, and it also comes with a car charging cable, and it also comes with an extra cotton tube, which I will show you how to use in some time. I'll just keep the box away. So firstly, this is of course a car jump starter, but it's also a car humidifier and a power bank. I will show you how to use the product in your car. You simply have to plug in the cable into the product and then inside your cigarette lighter. And as you can see, it can easily fit inside your cup holder. This product comes with a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, which you can recharge in 3.5 hours. And now I'm going to show you how to use the jump start feature. If your cable is already plugged in, all you have to do is that press the power button and then press the jump start button, and just wait in your car for 10 minutes and your car will be ready to jump start. This is a very unique feature that we have, that you can jump start your car without even leaving the driver's seat. So now I'm going to show you the car humidifier part. So we ship the product with this cotton tube already installed in the product, but I'm going to show you how to install the extra one. So what you have to do is that you have to remove this white cylinder and then insert the cotton tube and then reassemble it. And refill your water tank with some water. Then put the whole thing together. There we go. And now once you restart the product, you have to wait for a few seconds for the water level to rise up through the cotton tube. So I'll just wait for some time and then try to see if the water levels come up, and it has. And now, as you can see, the mist is coming out. We have two settings for the mist. One is a continuous mist, which you are seeing right now, and if you press this again, the mist will start and stop every 10 seconds. Now it has stopped and it will restart in about 10 seconds. And it will stop. And to restart, press it again. It will go continuous, and then press it again if you want to have the 10-second interval. The third and the last feature of this product is that it's also a power bank, which uses the 10,000 milliamp hour battery. You simply have to take the cable connected to your smart device, make sure that your product is turned on, and then choose any of the two USB ports, and your device will start charging, as you can see over here.